one of the most important parts of living a healthy life is quality sleep. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 things I personally do every night to enhance my sleep quality. In doing these 5 things, I've enhanced my overall sleep quality and also increased my deep sleep. In addition to that, my mornings are never groggy and I'm always up and out as soon as I wake up. Now to start this off, the first thing isn't an item to have, it's actually your sleep schedule. With a routine sleep schedule, you get the maximum benefit of sleep every night. Your body knows when to go to sleep and your body knows when to get up. I have a strict bedtime and I have a strict wake time. I do not vary away from that no matter what day it is, Monday through Sunday. Now you see a few things behind me, and I include each one of these into my nightly sleep routine that enhances my sleep. To start off, let's talk about the blackout blinds. Now these obviously help to block out the light from outside, creating a pitch black environment for me to sleep in. Following that, I decrease the temperature for optimal sleep. Secondly, you may see these sound foam, and these help, 1, with my videos of course, but 2, silence the environment. It keeps my house quiet and reduces the echoes, where I'll have things running in my house like a 3D printer, and I want to mitigate those noises so I can sleep silently and in the dark. Third on the list, we have red light. As you can see next to me, all my lights in my house are color changeable, and at 8:36 precisely, I switch all my lights to red. Doing so, my mind knows it's time to start shutting down, and from there, I start slowly turning my devices red and getting ready for bedtime. As well as you could do this with your phone or computers. With the computer application Flux, F.lux, you can tune your computer brightness to near red. And as well, if you want to use a color filter on your phone, they're in the settings, accessibilities, and then color filter. And here, I turn this on all day, matter of fact, but mainly at nighttime to make sure I have absolutely zero blue light before I go to bed. Now on this bedtime topic, I want to talk about 30 minutes before bed, all screens go up. I have absolutely no blue light and red light devices in front of my face 30 minutes before bed. And in that time, I use to stretch and I use to meditate. Fourth on the list, we have a diffuser. And with this, I have a variety of essential oils that I use to curate whatever health concern I may have. As well as on the air quality, I do have an air filter in this room where I constantly filter the air using a carbon and multi-stage filter. And I check my air quality through an air quality sensor. And lastly, one of the most important things I have during my sleep is a silver lined sheet. Now this helps me ground every night. Now it is cold right now, it is snowing, and I can't put my bare feet on some soil, so the alternative is to use a grounding sheet. Now there are grounding mats for standing while working, or you can have a sheet on your bed like I do. Now this is connected directly to the ground outlet in my wall, and I literally just ground myself every night. I've noticed improved sleep quality and also getting to sleep faster. I've cut down my time from an hour to about 30 minutes in order to fall asleep. Now I may be on the extreme for my things, but personally I don't think I'm doing enough. I have a few things more that I'm going to be adding into my routine that I'd love to show you guys. But for yourself, add a few of these things to your life and see how they can benefit you. If it doesn't work, don't do it. If it does help, let me know, because I'd love to help you guys. And if you have any comments, concerns, please let me know. If you guys are looking to get fit and into a healthier lifestyle, book a meeting with me on my website at fitnessoffer.com, and we will see how we can benefit your life to your maximum potential. And that wraps up this video, guys. If you try any of these things, please let me know in the comments, and I would love to see what you guys feel about these, as they've all benefited my personal life. So I'll see you all in the next video.